We are ecstatic to share this first look at the 2025 Nissan Figaro with you today. In light of the impending release of this new model, it is fitting to pause and consider how the iconic Figaro's sunny disposition and striking good looks have won over fans all over the globe. Since its introduction, the Nissan Figaro has come to represent excitement, independence, and enjoyment on the road. What will the future hold for the cherished Figaro in 2025 as we enter a new age of car design? Let's have a look. Many people have sentimental attachments to older cars, and the Nissan Figaro is no exception. Since its 1991 debut, the Figaro has been a fan favorite due to its endearing and distinctive retro style, which is reminiscent of the style popular in the 1960s. Drivers who liked a mix of retro charm and modern dependability were immediately drawn to its practical functionality and nostalgic design, making it an instant classic. The Figaro quickly became a collector's item due to its restricted production run, which further contributed to its charm. In 2025, the Nissan Figaro will return with a new look that combines its distinctive vintage aesthetic with modern elements. The rounded body style, round headlamps, and exquisite chrome grille of the beloved Nissan Figaro will be carried over to the 2025 model year. The new Figaro will be faithful to its origins while still catering to contemporary tastes because these distinguishing features will be kept intact. The 2025 Figaro, on the other hand, is innovative as well as nostalgic. All of the new Figaro's contours and details will be more polished and exacting than before because of the improved manufacturing processes and materials. The car will have some contemporary features, but it will still have that classic look. The 2025 Nissan Figaro, for instance, will have state-of-the-art LED headlights that preserve the vehicle's timeless good looks while improving visibility and reducing energy use. With a more aerodynamic design for the front grille, the car's performance will be subtly improved as the fans' beloved chrome highlights are showcased. The Figaro will keep its fashionable good looks and long-lasting durability thanks to new rims that are both lighter and tougher. With its irresistible mix of classic good looks and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Nissan Figaro is the epitome of automotive elegance. The Nissan Figaro will impress with its timeless good looks and cutting-edge technology, making it a car that is easy on the eyes and the nerves. The Nissan Figaro will remain an icon of individuality and elegance in the automobile industry thanks to this innovative future.